privilege pun bro kejing betip nam ta keyboard Laitkam ter Laitkam office assistant kawai hapo Sohra hak office jongga subdivisional school education officer Sohra civil subdivision SDSEO dengan pulih kerkum kena ke advertisement application duly filled in standard form along with complete biodata are hereby invited from the candidate who are citizen of India for filling up the post below in the office of the undersigned on contract academic contract basis for a period of 1 year then kinsa extend biang katkum kadneka scheme kadang continue from time to time subject to satisfactory performance and continuation of the scheme. Nagkakateng juga post ke office assistant under PM portion scheme tangkawai ke post qualification in the class 12 pass but and above with diploma in computer application they the class 12 sejrong but they done ro diploma in computer application. Hangne kita desirable profile qualification minimum 1 year experience in the field of online and offline entry, excellent working knowledge of MS Office and management information system. Katulop kadai kat arajar sibenai fix snem kadai kat proud life art snem plus asan snem kadang live punyo snem nam taki SCST as on 1st January 2024 relaxation of the 5 year. Applicant who do not possess the above criteria need not apply. Kibom don ikiti criteria mendot kam ban apply. Interested candidate kiba interest kiba ko am apply haban submit iki application form jong filing ba standard form along with photocopies duly attested of all relevant documents certificate on or before 29 July kan mau hal ene syua ar 29 July ar jarap sau ka last date kene ar 29 July happen poi hepok office of the undersigned kene SDSEO Sohra civil subdivision. Applicant are requested to mention their phone number, mention your phone number, WhatsApp number, haka application form yang pi kan mau pihak pendap link ba ka standard form pihak boleh submit hapok office SDSEO Sohra kan hapok Sohra te ka last date kene ar 29 July ar jarap sau tangkini jing betip privilege bun.